Hello folks, this is Sonny. Welcome to my end of May summary. I hope everyone's doing well this weekend. Here's my legal disclosure. I'm not a financial advisor. The information contained in this video is for entertainment purposes only. Before investing, please consult a licensed professional. Any stocks purchased I show on video should not be considered as investment recommendations. I shall not be held liable for any losses you might incur for investing or trading in stock market in an attempt to mirror what I do. Unless investments are FDIC insured, they may decline in value and or disappear entirely. Please be careful. Again, I always speak about paper trading first, and then once you become proficient in your systems and the stocks that you select to perform these actions, then you move on to real money. Trust me, it took many years for me. Okay, so you just have to conduct your own research, and everything will work out. So let's get after it. All right, currently the only position we have in our account is 200 shares of CenturyLink, which is our cable company. All those options went away, and look at this. This money here, 100%, $822. All our options were called away. We'll go through that in depth, each one of them here in a minute. Let's see what is our total balance for the end of the month. Our balance is currently at $25,992. Now remember folks, the amount of money I have in this and everything I contributed to was $25,000. So anything greater than $25,000 was a profit for the first month. This is sweet. All right, as you all know, everything got assigned. Option got assigned. ET got assigned. Something that happened to the cable company. There was 800 shares that were assigned early. Now, this is going to be weird because now it affects our dividend, what we're receiving. We're supposed to get to 250. So far, we're going to get to 50. But because of 800 shares, which is 8 options, got called away on the ex-dividend date, I might not be able to pick up that other $200. Okay, so we're just going to have to wait until June 12th to find out if we're going to just get the $50 or we're going to get the $250. I think these guys messed up because they exercised it on the ex-dividend date. You have to have ownership of the stock a day before ex-dividend date. So maybe, I don't know if the brokerage gets 1 day or not. I don't know, but they said the transaction occurred on 5/29. So we'll have to wait and see, because this amount, our percentage will go up if we get the other $200. Okay. As you know here, we still have 200 shares of this stock. And right now, the stock is trading only $4 less than this amount. Monday, when it opens, if we get a good market, I'll sell these 200 off so I can close out this here. And this one here was sweet. This one here got assigned. This was our travel company. We picked up the 2.15%. We picked up the easy. $170 was easy in 4 days. That was very easy money to pick up. I wasn't worried because we were deep in the money on this one. Had it all calculated, everything worked out. So look at all these profits that we got going on here. All right, let's go to the second part of the spreadsheet, our monthly roll-up. Here's our monthly roll-up here. 1st of June, stock value currently is $19.66. That's the 200 shares of the cable company. The rest of it's in cash in our account. Our total account balance is $25,992. as you see. Now remember, 1,000 of that is extra deposits that we put in after the fact. So basically this was our beginning balance of May 1st was $24,000. We added additional $1,000. We ended up with a profit at the end of the month of $992, equals the beginning of balance for June 1st. That's how our roll-up, our monthly tracker is going to work. Okay, for the month, we received a 4.13% return on our $24,000. Does not include the deposits. Remember, deposits are after the fact of the first of the month. So any deposits that come in after the first of the month will go into the deposits area, and we don't have to achieve 3% on that money. That's not how we're judging ourselves here. It's only what we begin with on June 1st. So June 1st, we're starting off with $25,992, and we're going to have to achieve 3% off that money. Okay? Did we surpass the 3%? Yes, we did. We achieved 4.13%. We did. Our after action review here, or lessons learned / comments, is Gilead. We would be $507 more ahead in that profit area if it wasn't for this loss here. Okay, and then I was chasing ET. That's what affected this as well. This should be around $1,200 instead of $992, or even greater. Okay, and CTL is going to go went ex-dividend, and that $50 is going to be transported into the next following month. So technically, I can't claim that $50 into this profit. So this $50 is going to come out into this box here because of the dividends that we're going to receive. So we already know we're getting 50 bucks. I'm hoping we get the whole 250, but we'll have to see. If we do, that's a lot better. Okay, now let's go to our 5-year plan. Yes, we do have our 5-year plan. Now we updated our 5-year plan here, starting off June 1st here, is going to be $25,720, but this is our plan just to get 3%, but we achieved greater than that. So our actual starting point will be $25,992. This is kind of like my plan. I'm thinking about putting $1,000 a month into this plan. Originally, I only stated $500, but I'm thinking about putting more into it. Make it more fun. I might even put the $50,000 of the CD that's maturing in September in this thing too. I mean, just think. I'll have to do extra work in here, but not a problem. That's what we're here for. We're here to get 3% on our money every month. We're not here to get ripped off, okay? No more ripped off from the CD of 1.5%. I'm here to get paid, okay? That's what we're here to do. How do we get paid more than a CD? That's our premise. I didn't say put all your CDs in this, and you need to make sure you have emergency funds and everything else like that. And then you have to feel safe that you have enough CDs to protect you in the event of something else that comes up. Yeah, I know a lot of people that get CDs, they get them for different reasons. But a lot of times people just put everything in CDs. So this is another avenue. Okay, I just want to keep this thing short. We did an excellent job in securing this amount of money for this month. And keep watching my other videos, and even watch my past videos. You can just click on my link or something and go back into my other videos and watch all these videos, what led up to this for this whole month. You have to understand that there's teaching points along the way. If you don't get those teaching points, I might not refer back to them. So if I start making faster videos and not the 30-minute videos anymore, that might hurt you if you didn't receive all that other guidance or that other information, how we trade. And hey, click the like button so we can get some more people, and subscribe to the channel for future videos. Remember, we do these videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then we'll have an end-of-month roll-up like we're doing now. And then we'll do some special videos, you know, on other subjects too. Put it in the remarks below. And I thank you guys for watching my videos. And have a safe weekend and take care of yourself. This is Sonny out.